Greetings! It's Maxo Diddley. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can simulate mobile touch input on Google Chrome on your PC or Mac. Let's get right into it. So the first step is go to the web page where you want to simulate touch input. Then you want to open up the developer tools. You can either press F12 on your keyboard, or if that doesn't work, go up to the three dotted button up here. Then you want to go down to more tools. Then you want to go to developer tools. After that, you'll then be in the developer tools. Up here, you're going to see some tabs. And to the left of the Elements tab, you're going to see a little button here. And if you highlight over it, it's going to say Toggle Device Toolbar. I want you to click on it. Now your Google Chrome is in mobile simulation mode. So if you move your mouse over it, you'll notice it looks like a black circle. Whenever you do a click, it's going to simulate touch input. So if you've got a Unity game that only responds to touch input, it's going to work on here. Whereas if you weren't using it, it wouldn't. There are some other cool things you can do. You can have some throttling if you want to, or even set the simulation to be offline mode if you want to test out some functionality there. You can dynamically resize the screen if you want to. You can even have presets for different sizes based on devices. And you have easy access to the console if you want to look for debug logs. But this is a really quick and simple way to test your WebGL games or your websites or web apps or whatever as if they were on a mobile device. This shouldn't replace testing on a mobile device, but if you need to quickly check something and you only respond to touch input, this is a really quick way around it. Thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.